What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We got some real ones right here. You know, John Berthal, guy that played Punisher, Walking Dead, real ones. His no podcast, no one. Okay, my bad. We got a real steel right here and a Rosecraft blades. We have the Rosecraft Nolichucky, Nolichucky Jack, slip joint, I am sure. And then we have the Pathfinder G10 black wash. All right. Which one do we want to do? Let's check out the Rosecraft. I'm kind of curious about that one more. So we'll put that one off to the side. Rosecraft, Nolichucky. Ooh, not bad. Put you just right here for now. Nolichucky, all right. Ooh. What is it, like a teardrop type thing, blade? I don't know. I actually like it though. I like the way I like the walk and talk on this one. This is one of my. I think I like it also because the handle size. I like that. I think it's a little bit bigger than the other ones I've gotten to handle by Rosecraft. I think that's why I like it. Got that wood grain look. Kind of greenish though. It's like a green log. You know what I mean? Sorry. No green logs. No. No. Sorry, I won't go there. My bad. Sorry. Um. Yeah, it opens well. I'm just sorry. I'm just talking and giggling and flicking open this thing. D2 steel. So that's nice too. I like that. The other ones, I can't remember. They had a name. I didn't. Well, I think some of them were N690. I think I heard good things about N690. I haven't got a lot of experience with it, but I know D2, so feels pretty sharp. Not bad. Got a nice little satin blade, like a belt satin right there. Not bad though. It's really not bad. Obviously, it's a little thinner. Not bad. Well, not thinner. Thinner than some of the ones I've handled. Feels pretty good though in hand. I don't know. I think the blade shape is a teardrop, something like that. That just from like hearing it from other people. I can't remember for sure, but that's what it reminds me of. Super nice. I like that. It's not bad. Put it right there. Let's get the real one out. This was what? The Pathfinder. Pathfinder, you got your information right there. Here's your specs on it. That kind of looks nice. Is it a slip joint though? Oh wait, oh I saw it. It's a crossbar lock. Okay, oh okay. So real still got a crossbar lock. All right. Let's check it out. Get out of here, box. All right. So the blade is it's not really sticking out, but that handle is a little taller. Okay, so that's not good so far. Okay. Okay, May. Okay, so thumb flick works well. That's kind of... Okay, so I think it needs broke in a little bit is what I'm hearing. Got a nice little G10. So it is black G10. It's got a little G10 handle or a backspacer right there going up it. Pocket clip. Reset. Oh, look, I like that. Recessed like right into it. I like that. And the screw. Oh, cool. Okay, so it's recessed right into it. Pretty solid. It's got the screws into the scales of the handle. That's cool. I like that. Got screws right there for the other side, so it is. Oh, it's even got a freaking filler right there. Come on, man. That's cool, man. I like that. Okay. So even though I can't open it, I like that. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I can get the thumb. I think it just needs work on the tension of it. I don't know if you can change that or not. I don't know if I can see in there or not. Not really. Let me see if... No, I can't really see anything. It is skeletonized. I'll show you guys that. So, helps with the weight. It does feel a little heavier. What does it all say on the blade? Ivan D. Braganels. Hold on, is that a T or an I? L. Bragnets. I think it's Braganets. I think it's a T right there, right before the S. So an IVD Braganet's design, 14C, 28N. Not bad. I like 14C. Oh man, so I like the jimping. I just saw the jimping too. Man, I can't jump, man. Okay, so this is like a giant's knife because I love jimping out there further on the blade. I can't get to it. Like, look at that. I'm stretching out by the blade if I'm going to get that jimping. No. No, bro. I ain't doing that. But I like the jimping, though. It's great. I like that they tried. That's nice. I like that. Okay. I like the scales, though. They don't feel like they're going to be slippery, or anything like that. It does feel good in hand. It is a very big knife, though, for what it is. Like, it's bigger than, like, a Civivi Praxis by far. Not by far, but bigger. Quite a bit bigger than that. This thing is quite a bit bigger. I just wish to... I think it just probably might just need some KPL and cleaned up, to be honest with you. It's kind of gunked up. It's kind of gunked up in here, so it might be why it's like that. Because I can't even flick it open that way. Good lord. Well, hold on. So I can flick it open now that I loosened it up a little bit. So it works better. So it works much better, but now the blade's a little loose. Not up and down, side to side though. Let's try to see if we can get a good little median right there. Still a little loose, but it's not opening as well. It may just need broke in too. There, it's starting to work in. See, now it's back to being tight for the lock. So let's see how. See. So now the lockup's tight. So it's kind of. You're just gonna have to play with it where you want it at. That sounded bad. You're gonna have to play with it. Let's see if we can open it like this. You gotta really kind of flick it, and you might just need to break it in. That's really what it is. I don't think this is going to be a bad knife. I think it's depending on the price. If you're going to pay quite a bit for this, I would say it might not be worth it. But it is G10, 14C. It might be a good price. It might be. You just might need to break it in and fiddle around with the pivot a little bit just to get your right settings. You know what I mean? But not bad though. I don't want to say it's bad because I haven't really used it a whole lot. I'll probably play around with it and kind of check it out and see what I can get going with it. It's just the Thumbstuds. That's my problem too. Thumbstuds are really small and they're really, I think they tried to minimize the reveal of the actual blade. I understand that. I like that look. But like, you got to make the Thumbstuds maybe a little bit bigger or something. You got to make a... You just got to do something somewhere. I don't think this is a bad knife. I think it's going to be a good knife. Because honestly, I can thumb flick it all day. Like, that's no problem. I have plenty of room right there for it. I really don't have much problems with the Thumbstuds. They're just maybe a hairball bigger, I think, would be better. But they are kind of cool looking. Here. There you go, now you can see it. And that jipping is nice, it really is. I just wish my hands were a little bit bigger just so I can get right there. But this is a pretty solid knife. I'm not going to say it's a bad knife. I'll let you know if it's a bad knife in the final review. I don't think it's going to be, though. I think it just needs broke in. And you're going to have to find that right little wiggle right there. It's not much right now. It's minimal. I think it could go, like if it's obviously not wiggling at all, there's no wiggle room, I think it'd be perfect. But right now, it's not too bad. I like it, though. But that's all I really got. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks.